Hello fellow Greymanes, here's how you can find the Vaporwalker in Crimson Desert. This is a silly pair of footwear since it makes you skate along the surface of the water for a brief period of time, but it does come very handy when you're trying to cross rivers or lakes. Other than that, it gives the wearer 16 points of attack damage and 5 points of defense. To find these skate shoes, look for a river that aligns below the letter A of Payloon. It's the river that goes along the ancient rift if you zoom in. Now that exact spot where I put my waypoint is the place that we're looking for. If you start on the cliff on the same side as the waypoint, it'll be easier. Now we're gonna look towards the direction of the waypoint. We'll be able to see a waterfall. Next, jump off the cliff and you're gonna find a second smaller waterfall. That's our target. Glide closer to it until you reach the floor where it ends. If you see these pile of rocks, then you're in the right place. Now face the waterfall, unsheath your weapon, and do the stab move by pressing shift and right click. Once you're on the other side, you'll be met with a rock blocking the way. Charge up a force palm and release it on the rock to break it. Move inside the cave as the rock shatters, and you'll find a chest. Loot it, and you'll get your Vaporwalkers free of charge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.